Introduce highlight features and quick overview of VIVOSUN 6-inch 440 CFM Inline fan with speed controller, 6-inch carbon filter and 8 feet of ducting combo for grow tent ventilation. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Don't waste time buying and returning parts that may or may not be compatible or safe to use together. This 3-part grow tent fan kit includes everything you need to get set up. Heavy hitting blower with a fan speed of 2450 rpm, puts out only 50 decibels noise level, moves air efficiently through your target location for optimal ventilation. 1050 plus RC 48 Australian Virgin Charcoal Bed, dimensions 6x18 inch. The carbon filter eliminates undesirable odors, pungent smells and particulates from indoor grow tents and hydroponics grow rooms. Strong, flexible steel wire supports heavy-duty triple-layer duct walls. PET core is sandwiched in layers of fire-retardant aluminum that can handle temperatures from -22 to 266 Fahrenheit. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.